welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a Amazon haul. It's my first Amazon haul video ever. There's quite a mix of things. It's what did I get? Some stuff for my house, some stuff specifically for my bedroom that we're redoing, and then some stuff for filming and like taking pictures for Instagram. So, and I'll try and link everything down below, and also try and post pictures of what inspired me for my bedroom from pictures that are on Pinterest. And so yeah, let's get into it. There's quite a lot. Some stuff is already opened and in use, and some things are still in their box and unopened. So, starting with something that is opened, I bought this for my Instagram flat lays. So it is a phone stand, and it's got a nice wide sturdy base so that you can actually take overhead shots and videos, and then this also bends, so that is just something nice, so I don't have to like stand over in an awkward way my photos, and I can like put them on a table, because right now I'm doing them on the floor. So that's the first thing I got. Next up, also for more of my Instagram channel, I got these stickers so that I can just put them on my arm and do eyeshadow swatches or makeup swatches, because I see a lot of people use these, and I have always wanted to just have really nice, beautiful eyeshadow swatches rather than just finger swipes. So there's 6 of these, and they come with 2 styles each. Now they only have 8 areas to swatch, and I wish that it had at least 9, because most of my palettes have at least 9 pans. So that would be my only comment on that so far. I haven't actually tried to see how it sticks to the skin or how long they last. But yeah, I'm going to try these out and see how they work. Alright, let's go with this unopened box, which I do not know what it is. I want a little cart happy. Oh, yes. Okay, so these are some flower pots. So right now I'm propagating. Is that the word? I just lost my brain. Right now I'm taking clippings of some of my plants, and I'm trying to grow new ones. So I thought that these, because they're small, would be nice for when I transfer them into the soil, and there's 15 of them. And they're a nice neutral color, so they'll fit in pretty much anywhere in my house. So I can put them on windowsills or in my bedroom or in the kitchen. So that is not terribly exciting, but I'm excited to grow my own plants for sure from my clippings. Okay, another opened box, but another long box. This is also for my Instagram. So these are different, like faux marble textured backgrounds, and it came with I think 6. So each of them is 2-sided, which will make it really nice, because right now for my flat lays on Instagram I'm using a sweater. So I thought this would be, it's going to brighten it up a bit, and I think it's going to make it look a little bit cooler. So I have 3 of these. Each of them are 2-sided. There's also a pink one that I'm currently using. And some more decor items. Let's start with some. So these are just like some fake, like kind of like what I have right behind me, but more of them. Always read the descriptions and always read the reviews, because these are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. Oh, and they're shedding already all over me. So it's just these really nice, like they feel like really good quality. They're just shorter than I thought. So I was going to put these either in here to fill this up, or maybe in my bedroom once I redo it. And they are shedding everywhere, so that's not a good sign. And then I got 2 of these little baskets for my plants. I love plants. So let's see if we can open this fairly easily, because I have a lot of big plants. I also have some small plants, especially the ones that I am growing from clippings. They're going to be small for a while, so that's actually a really nice size. So you can actually have them like this, or expand it like this. So my vibe is like more like bohemian, naturals, plants, greens, browns, gold, brass type look. So these are cute. That's nice. Don't mind those. This thing I spent real money on. Like they were $100 each. So they came like this, and it's actually a lamp. So I bought 2 of them, one for either side of our bed. And then it just plugs into the wall, so you don't have to do any electrical work. And then it's got a nice switch, and then it's got some of these round things that you can actually screw into your wall for more stability. But I just thought they were super cute. Oop. Oop. So yeah, these were $90-something each. But I really like them a lot. I have one set up just to see what it looks like with the light in it. And yeah, I'm not disappointed. Now for my like stuff I bought specifically for my bedroom. So like right here is kind of the design we're going for. Well, I'm going for. My husband's like, okay, whatever. So it's like greens, dark bedroom with like a lot of wood and plain accents. So I have, I think, my paint color picked out. So it's going to be a dark green like you saw on that inspiration picture I got from Pinterest. So first thing I got is these cushion covers. I haven't opened these yet. You can tell because they're still vacuum sealed. Oh, they're cute. Oh, these are cute. So they're a nice, I think they're 18 by 18 or 20 by 20. They got these pom-poms, and they're really lush green color, and they look like velvet, but they don't have that feel of velvet because I hate that feel. So those are really cute. There's just came in a 2-pack. And how does it zip up? Does it zip up, or how do I get my pillow in there, friends? Okay, there's a zipper right there. Is there a zipper? There's a zipper right there. So it's really well hidden. Like I couldn't even find it. So I got 2 of these. They're from Pavilia, and they're 20 by 20. So they'll be a nice size. I have an excess of cushion covers that or cushions that came with my couch that I really don't like the pattern. So I was thinking of using those in these because I don't really need them, because as you can see, I have a lot of other pillows. So yeah, cute color. And then I got 2 different 6-packs of art. Because I could use these either in my bedroom or my living room. There's actually 3 above me right now, and I'll show you those in a little bit. So the other 3 of these are the ones I chose for my living room. I just really liked the way they looked, nice and neutral. And then these ones, so these I got more for my living space downstairs. And then these ones I thought might work better in my bedroom. I'll probably not use all of them, but I thought that they were really cute, and they've got that green, and I love a nice pop of orange. It's my favorite color. I thought these were really cute. I think they were $20 per set. And then they came well packaged in this cardboard pouch. And then more cushion covers. Actually really impressed by the quality of these. So here is the first one. It's got something on it. So it's got a zip in the middle at the back. It's like a really sturdy canvas. And then the detail and like the macrame is really nice. And it just feels like really good quality. I think that these are also 20 by 20. Let me just use that. Yeah, so going off of that, this is also 20 by 20. And I thought that these 2 mixed together would be really nice. Cute. Those were actually a 2-pack. I've got something in my throat. Those cushion covers, and the one I'm about to show you, is that if it doesn't work in my bedroom, it will certainly work in my living room. So I'm not going to have wasted my money. So the second kind, I just got 1 of these, and I think this is also 20 by 20. It's just got a really nice like natural design, and it's got cute tassels, and this one is like hefty and strong, very good quality. And then it is also a zipper somewhere. So it's also got a zipper closure. And the back is just more plain, but it's a nice neutral couch cushion that would for sure go with my pillows down here, or I'm hoping in my new design bedroom, which, you know, I think I'm going to wait till spring to paint because then we can open the windows, and right now we've got our cozy winter bedding on, so I'm not really in any rush, but I was in a rush to make all these purchases, of course. Boxes made it feel like I bought a lot of stuff, but I actually didn't do too bad, so. Last thing I have in front of me is this gorgeous linen. Well, it's not linen. It's very nice and cotton, very soft, very light, very airy duvet cover. And I really like, so this is the bottom. It's got these really cute little frilly tassels, which will obviously be painstaking to, you know, fluff out. But I just really liked, I got this color because I didn't want to get white, because white starts to look dingy over time. So I thought I'd get this more grayish cream color, because then I wouldn't have to worry about that as much. It has also got a zipper closure at the bottom. I really like when duvet covers come with zippers rather than ties or buttons, because they just tend to stay in place a bit more. And then check the inside. I also like when duvet covers come with these, so you can tie your duvet or your comforter that you're using to the corner, and then it helps it to stay put longer. And if you didn't know that, have a look at your duvet cover and see if it has it. So it has got, I think, 3 rows of this at the bottom, and I hope, we have a king size bed, I hope it's a bit oversized, just so you have that nice draping effect. And if not, I have a white bed skirt right now, but I'll probably get one that's more this tone. And it also came with 2 pillowcases, which again have this really cool, fun frilly fringe detail. They're a nice size as well. They're king sized. And then they have this nice lip, so you can fit your pillow in there and then do this, and it gives it a little bit more stability. What else did I get? Oh, I bought a set of 5 gold picture frames, 3 of which are hanging with that new artwork above me, so I'll show you that. And then I think that's it. I'll show you one of the wicker bamboo sword lamps I have. I will show you what that looks like lit up. I just have one hanging in my living room right now just to see how I like it. But yeah, let's check that out. So these are the gold frames I got. I got a set of 5. It's not glass though, it's plastic, and I don't know that I love that, but I did drop one of them and I was kind of thankful it wasn't glass. And then these are the other prints that came with that set of 6, and I thought that they really just tied in nicely with, you know, what I've got going on here. I don't know. I really like the way it looks. I wish that they were a little bit, let me just zoom out. I wish that they were a little bit lower, or that this was a little bit higher, but I just hung them up to see what they would look like, and I like the way they look. And then here is that one of those lamps lit up. So I really like the look of it and the glow that it casts. So that was my haul video. I hope you really liked it. I also spilled something on my shirt, so I had to change. Typical me. Yeah, so if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can hit like down below. You can click here to subscribe. There'll be more videos here and here, and stay tuned. I'm going to maybe do a vlog when we actually redo our bedroom and see how it goes. And yeah, as always, I really appreciate you watching. Have a great day.